The 2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, four-wheel drive. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.